Let's talk about a good way to get links to your website. It's a little bit like paying for links, but it's kind of not. And it's essentially paying for product reviews or service reviews, or whatever your business is, reviews of that business, right? Where a blogger or a podcaster or anybody, generally a blogger or a website owner, would review your product. Okay, you would kind of give them the free access or something like that, and depending on what your product is, and they'd review it. So you're paying for this, right? And you're gonna get a link from this. But it's a legitimate way to do marketing because you're not paying for the link, you're paying for the review, right? You are. And you're gonna get much more than just a link, right? You're gonna get actual traffic from this, which is better for you. And that review might rank in Google itself, right? And you can do this without spending too much extra time, because if you do that strategy of link begging, a part of that, if somebody replies to you and says no, or if a part of that, if somebody does not reply to you at all, you have to note everybody who you email, and maybe email them later. The ones who say no or don't reply, email them later, suggesting that they do a paid product review, right? Something like that, as a journalist, and that might incentivize those people who you asked to link to you for free, who didn't do that. Paying them to do a product review of your business might just do the trick. So you'll get more of the people of your entire potential pool who you wanted to link to you. You'll get more of them to link to you this way. So that's the strategy here. It's effective.